When we open a website, everything looks simple. Buttons, text, images, forms, all working smoothly. But behind every website, there's logic, data, and a powerful engine running silently on a server. This is where web development begins, and Python makes it easier than ever. Web development is divided into two main parts, front-end and back-end. The front end is what users see, the design, colors, and layout. The back end is what users don't see, the logic, database, and security. Python is mainly used on the back end, where real work happens. With Python, we can create a server that listens to user requests, processes data, and sends meaningful responses back to the browser. When a user fills a form, logs in, or clicks a button, Python handles that request behind the scenes. To build web applications with Python, we use frameworks like Flask and Django. Flask is lightweight and flexible, perfect for beginners and small projects. Django is powerful and full-featured, used for large-scale, professional applications. Both frameworks allow developers to build dynamic websites quickly and efficiently